Meanwhile, yesterday.
Kind of worried about where are we gonna sleep. It's not safe to sleep here at a truck stop. Y'all keep asking me for day in the life videos. I know everybody else probably shows all these pretty, beautiful. Look, it's not pretty or beautiful until I get to the destination. Then it's, oh, look at all these cute pictures. Ooh, she's so cute. Look at her skin. Okay, but the whole time that I'm traveling, I look lost in the sauce and tired and stressed.
12 o'clock midnight.
Joyful rising. We are still at the truck stop. Nothing went as planned yesterday. Nothing went as planned. Hey girl, what you see? Cleo. Clee. Princess. Hey. Okay, we're about to go. Come on, let's go outside. Okay, ready to go outside? Damn, look at the sky.
Eventually.
Cleo, look at our camping spot, girl. It's so nice, right? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name. And they're always glad you came. Okay. Alright. Cleo and I made it. Cleo, tell them where we at. Did y'all hear? We're at Big Bend National Park. Well, actually, we're outside of Big Bend at a campsite. Steerwell campsite. It's hot. It's hot as hell. But this is where we are. Nowhere. In the middle of nowhere, for real. I am gonna record for you guys, but we're gonna do this when it's not 100 degrees outside. So Cleo and I have a huge breeze. Oh, it feels so good. I have my fan. Ooh. And as y'all know, we had a rough time. I just took my shower. We had a rough time last night. It wasn't rough. I'm not gonna say it was rough. It was not rough. It was dark. It was dark. We couldn't see. So I have been driving for 2 days. I was about to go visit the park, but I'm sleepy and I need some rest. So I'm about to take a nap and then I'll show you all that me and Cleo explore after I wake up. Cause I'm like this right now. I'm like this right now. That's how tired I am. Bye. There's bees and flies all in the van. Alright, Cleo and I are finally headed into the park. I was able to take my nap. Cleo was able to eat some flies. And now we get to go see what Big Bend has in store for us. It is currently 105 degrees. It is hot. I can't even remember what I want to say. It's so hot. But we aren't going to be here long. We're only going to be here a few days. There is absolutely no cell service at all. Even with the Wi-Fi at the campsite, nothing. So I'm actually fine with that. I'm okay with that. I have my books that I read when I get bored, so it's not that bad. But this heat, yeah. Now the weather said it was gonna be 85. Somewhere along the lines between the time me and Cleo got here, now it's 105. A lot of people ask me what are the pros and cons to van life, and the first one that sticks out to me is the driving. Some people may enjoy driving, but it takes a lot of energy from me. I would say my biggest con, the one thing that, if I'm honest, I absolutely hate about van life is having to drive. But I wouldn't trade my van for anything. I think if I had those powers though, I would just prefer to somebody else to drive me. If I could have somebody else to drive me, this would be perfect. But what I realized is I was looking at a lot of different van lifers, and many do not show or explain in detail how taxing it is on your body, on your spirit, on your mind to travel the world in a van. It takes a lot. I mean, the first few days after I get to a location, I don't even want to do anything. I don't even want to explore the place because I'm depleted. If I'm honest, I'm depleted and I'm drained. And so I have to do a lot of spiritual work on myself, on my spirit, to transmute that heavy energy, or to source energy from nature, and to replenish myself. So it just takes a lot. I have to pay attention to, for instance, last night when the sun started going down, right? So the stress of not being able to see at night, the stress of animals running out into the road, deer and rabbits and all of that, the stress of other cars cutting you off, being next to 18-wheelers, the stress of Cleo being in the car with me, making sure she's okay, and just the stress of safety, making sure that you're safe and aware of your surroundings. There's so many different stressors on the road that are internalizing in my body, that are being stored in my body, because then where does that stress come? It's being stored in my body, and in my spirit. And also I'm still very new to van life, so I'm still learning balance. I'm still learning how to balance what's necessary and what's not, what's too much and what's not. And I ain't figured it out yet. Because when I'm ready to go, I'm like, what? I'm about to go here, I'm about to go here, I'm going to go here, I'm taking this here. And then by the time I get there, I'm like, ooh, damn far to get there and so damn long to get there. Alright, made it to the visitor center. I just need to get a map really quickly and then we're off to explore. Alright, Cleo and I are done for the day. I'm on top of my van. I'm on the roof. And now the sun is going down, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me some din din. I was supposed to just be drinking juice, but I've been traveling a very long time and I'm hungry, so I'm about to eat. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do that in my van. Good girl. You're such a big girl. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how I cook in my van. It's getting dark, so my the quality of my video isn't that well because it's getting dark, but I should probably set this up somewhere. Anyways, this is my little cooking stove that I have. I told y'all I can't cook, so give myself that. I don't know how YouTube people do this. God damn it, they film themselves and they eat and cook at the same time. I can't do all that. Okay, y'all don't laugh at my mood dress. I actually collect them. The uglier, the better. Okay, I want the most ugly ones possible. I've gone all the way to Hawaii and collected the most ugly granny looking mood dresses, so they're comfortable and I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna be comfortable. I finished making my food. It looks nasty, but it ain't. Cleo is outside. I don't know if y'all can see her. I just gave Cleo some peanut butter, so she's good for the night. I can finally take a deep breath and rest, reflect, relax. Bars. And I gotta cut all these lights off. I have the lights on for y'all, but they're attracting bugs. And I have like 3 bugs in here right now. So it's a no-go. But good night. Love y'all. Okay, my plan was to leave and go do what I said I was gonna do, but I feel like I have more to say. Don't know exactly what I want to say, but I feel like I have more to say. This is actually really good. I have no idea what we're gonna do tomorrow. I know when I wake up, I need to juice because I'm running out of juice. I have some grapes. I just don't feel like cleaning them. Yo, it's hot. It is hot. The forecast said it was supposed to be 88 degrees and it was supposed to be 60 at the low. Why did it get to 105 today? I don't understand. Like, what happened? Somebody lied. Last time, me and Cleo were at Joshua Tree National Park, and I gave her her Kong with peanut butter in it, and a jackrabbit came out of nowhere and stole it. I was about to say tried to steal it, but she stole it. And Cleo got into a fight with the jackrabbit. It's all kind of stuff flying around here. Cleo got in a fight with a jackrabbit, and she had like a scratch on her nose. I had to take her to the vet and everything, make sure she didn't have anything. So much for camping outside. I wasn't even camping outside. I just left the door open and I let Cleo stay outside with her Kong. And a jackrabbit came and ruined everything. Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo. And they're always glad you came. What the fuck is that? That was like a whole bat. Don't eat it, Cleo. I know y'all see this shit flying around here. Sometimes you wanna where everybody knows your name. And they're always glad you came. Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name. And they always glad you came. Sometimes you just want to go where you feel loved, appreciated, seen, cared for, and nurtured. And they're always glad you came. I wish I knew the rest of the words. Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name. And they're always glad you came. Everybody know your name. Where? Y'all hear Cleo breathing down my neck? It's already hot.